Proceeding further, we come to the next concept, which is relation between scalar product and vector product. Okay, now there is some relation between scalar product and vector product, but before proceeding to relation, just recall one fact, that scalar product, it is a scalar quantity, whereas vector product, it is a vector quantity. So to find the relation between them, first of all, you want both the quantities in same form. Now scalar product is scalar quantity, we cannot convert it into a vector quantity. हम इसे vector quantity में convert नहीं कर सकते हैं. But vector product is a vector quantity having magnitude as well as direction. So we can convert it into a scalar quantity by taking its magnitude. Okay. Now let A and B be two vectors with angle theta between them. With angle theta between them. Now vector A cross B, this will be mod A mod B sin theta n cap, and vector A dot B, this is mod A mod B cos theta. This is a scalar quantity, सिर्फ मैग्नीट्यूड है, इट कैनॉट बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, हम इसे डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते हैं. दिस इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटी हैविंग मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन, सो वी फाइंड इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड ओनली. देयरफॉर mod of A cross B, this is equal to mod A mod B sin theta square both the above magnitudes. अब ये भी मैग्नीट्यूड है और ये भी मैग्नीट्यूड है, हम इन दोनों को स्क्वायर करेंगे. नाउ सी, mod of A cross B square of it, this will turn out to be mod A square mod B square sin square theta, and vector A dot vector B square of it, this is mod A mod B cos square theta. You get this. Okay, add, इनको आप ऐड कर दीजिए तो आपको मिलेगा mod A cross mod B square plus A dot B square, this is equal to mod A square mod B square sin square theta plus mod A square mod B square cos square theta. You can take mod A square mod B square common, in the bracket you get sin square theta plus cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is an identity which gives 1. So vector A cross vector B square of it, mod of vector A cross B square of it plus square of scalar product, this is equal to mod A square mod B square. This is the relation between magnitude of vector product and scalar product. Square of magnitude of vector product and square of scalar product, it is equal to product of squares of magnitudes of vector A and vector B. इसे कहा जाता है Lagrange's identity. This is Lagrange's identity. Okay, clear? Giving the relation between scalar product and you can say magnitude of vector product. Okay, please note it down.